Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I welcome all of you to the headquarters of Benazir Income Support Program. It is a pleasure to meet all of you today. And the purpose that we are here together and meeting is a very noble one. And we hope and we wish that, inshallah, we will be having this relationship as a great success. Because as Secretary Sahib has already said, that at BISP, we are making things easy for people, but we want to make things better for people, make lives better for people, and that can only be done through skills training. They need our help, our beneficiaries and their families, to move out of this poverty, and there has to be some exit and graduation program. So then we were thinking about it, and we thought that, as I've always believed, the more the better, or the more the merrier. So bringing all these stakeholders together, especially related to the industry and the service providers, we thought that we would form a group which we would be calling as Friends of BISP, Friends of Benazir Income Support Program. Benazir Income Support Program, as you all know, was the brainchild of Muhtarama Bibi Shaheed Saiba, and unfortunately we lost her very early, and then this her vision was given a form of what we are today, the Benazir Income Support Program. And the beauty of this program is not only that it provides for people, but it has also given identity to hundreds and thousands of women who otherwise would not have become accounted for, who otherwise would not have identification, because as we all know that the main requirement of Benazir Income Support Program to be registered with us is that you have to have a national identity card, your NIC. So that ensures that that woman, whoever is being registered with us, is also becomes part of the national database. And in that we also have included the B forms, or the Bay forms as we call them in Urdu. So the girl child, when she's born, she's also accounted for. So it's a huge success, I think, and at the moment we are serving about 10 million families, which is not what should be the number. There are many others who are waiting for us to include them in our program. But as we have financial constraints, we cannot do that. So the reason of going for skills training is to not only make lives better for people, but it is also to create the space that we need for more people to come into this program. So with your help and your advice, as you are related to the industry that would be providing jobs to them as per their training. So we would like to know and interact with you as to what would be the minimum requirement or the maximum requirement for the person to be eligible for to be working in any sector, in any required sector. Because as you know, the world is changing. The skills development is now the key word. We have been sending labor to the rest of the world over the past few decades, but now things have changed. Now even labor is skilled, they require skilled labor. So together, as Pakistanis, as our partners, we have to think of a better future for our coming generations, and I think that can be done through skills training. Thank you very much.